in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Boone County in north central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kirkland, or 9 miles south of Belvedere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete. Destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Kingston around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Belvedere around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Marengo around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, including the following interstate, I-90 between mile markers 43 and 56. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.